students, welcome to chemistry class. Today we are going to discussing about transition and inner transition elements. Book back, one more question discussion. The question number 9. The alloy of copper that contain zinc is called. You see, four options are there. The monal metal, option B bronze, C bell metal, D brass. So which one is correct for alloy of copper that zinc contain? So monal metal is the composition of nickel and copper and iron. Is called a monal metal. So first option is not correct. But bronze contain copper, tin and aluminium and manganese like that. So it's not correct for ninth question. But bell metal contain copper and tin only. So option C also not correct for this question. But D option brass contain copper and zinc only. So correct option is fourth option brass. The alloy of copper that contain is zinc is brass only. The next question, which of the following does not give oxygen on heating? Which of the following does not give oxygen on heating? Potassium dichromate on heating gives oxygen gas. But option B, ammonium dichromate gives nitrogen gas on heating. Here potassium chlorate also gives oxygen gas. Zinc chlorate also gives oxygen gas. So for the question number 10, which of the following does not give oxygen gas on heating? So answer is B option, because ammonium dichromate on heating gives nitrogen gas only. So answer is B. Next, in acidic medium, potassium permanganate oxidized oxalic acid gives, you see, manganate ion. Potassium permanganate gives the manganate ion in acid medium in oxalic acid to give Mn2 plus and carbon dioxide gas evolved. So answer is carbon dioxide, option B. Question number 13 is that the potassium permanganate ion changes into an acid medium. We already discussing here the question also. So permanganate ion changes into an acid medium Mn2 plus. So option is second option. Question number 12. Which of the following statement is not true? It's not true. On passing hydrogen sulfide through the acidified potassium dichromate in milky color is observed. Is a correct statement. But the second option, sodium dichromate is prepared over the potassium dichromate in volumetric analysis. Here, sodium dichromate is not comfortable for the volumetric analysis. Why? Because it is not prepared by the standard solution for the volumetric analysis. But K2Cr2O7, I mean potassium dichromate is very applicable for the volumetric analysis solution. It is easily prepared by the standard solution in volumetric analysis. So it is a wrong statement. So potassium dichromate is solution is acidic medium in the orange color is correct statement. Potassium dichromate solution becomes yellow on increasing pH value beyond the 7, because in acid medium began 7. So correct statement. So answer is not correct. So which one is not correct statement? The option B is correct answer for this question. Question number 15. Manganate ion react with bromide ion in alkaline pH to give You see the equation, magnet ion treated with bromine plus water to give hydroxide ion and Mn manganese dioxide, and bromate ion also formed. So from this equation we have concluded that this answer, bromate ion and manganese dioxide, is correct answer. So next question is